Hi friends, here we are given two numbers A and B, and the ratio of their harmonic progression and geometric progression is 12 is to 13. What is the ratio of these two numbers? We have to use plain simple formula here. Formula for harmonic mean and formula for geometric. Let's see how. Harmonic mean of two numbers. AB is 2AB by A plus B. And what is geometric mean? It is root AB. We are given 2AB by A plus B is to root AB is equal to 12 by 13. Right. Let us assume A equals Bx because the question is about what is the ratio of A and B. Let's say the ratio is x only. Then what will A be? A will be Bx and B will be B. Let us substitute this Bx here. 2ab, that is 2 into b into bx, because b is b, a is bx by bx plus b equals root of b into bx, that is b into a. This is equals 12 by 13. So this becomes 2b square x by b times x plus 1 equals to b square root of b square x. So that means b root x equals 12 by 13. If we simplify this becomes, this entire part becomes 2bx. This b and one of the b's will cancel. 2bx by x plus 1 by b root x. Right? This equals 12 by 13. This simplifies to this b and this b can cancel. So 2x by root x into x plus 1. Right, equals 12 by 13. This root x can also go, root x into root x is x, right? So this becomes 2 root x by x plus 1 equals 12 by 13. Right, we got this nice equation in the form of x. X is what that we want, right? The ratio. Now we have converted this into the ratio only. We just need to solve for this x. Because there's a root x, let us try to square this on both sides. Then this becomes 4x by x plus 1 whole square equals 12 square by 13 square. Right? So 4x by x plus 1 whole square equals 12 square by 13 square, which is 144 by 169. If you do the cross multiplication, 4 times 169x, this into this equals 144 times x square plus 1 plus 2x, right? 144 square, 144x square plus 144 plus 2 into 144x. Right, if you simplify this, we will get 144x square minus 388x, that is 2 into 144 minus 4 into 169 plus 144. Right, there's we can further simplify this. Right, we can simplify this into by 4. Right, this is divisible by 4 at everywhere. 144 also, 388 also, 144 also. So by 4, if you do 36 x square minus 97x plus 36 equals 0. Now we have to factorize this. How do we factorize this? We have to factorize in such a way that 36 into 36, whatever is this number, this 36 and this 36. If you multiply whatever is that number, that you have to split 36 into 36 so that the sum becomes 97. Right, what is this 36? 36 is 9 into 4 into 9 into 4. If you see this, 9 into 9, 81 plus 4 into 4, 16 is actually 97. So let us use this only. So this 97 will write it as minus 16x minus 81x plus 36 equals 0. So 36x square minus 16x. We can take 4x common. 4x into 9x minus 4 minus, again here also 9 common, 9 times 9x minus 4 equals 0. That means 4x plus minus 9 to 9x minus 4 equals 0. That means either x is 9 by 4 or 4 by 9. That is what we want. What is x? X is our the ratio of these two numbers. These two numbers, the ratio is either 4 by 9 or 9 by 4. Right, this. This is a simple problem. We just need to substitute the formula for harmonic mean and geometric mean. Right, this.